How to meditate. So I meditate 10 to 20 minutes every single day. Normally in the morning, that's what I prefer. But you can do it in the morning, in the evening, in the night, in the afternoon. You can do it whenever you want. It's great for clearing your mind, clearing that fogginess in your mind, and just being present in the moment. And it's something I highly recommend. So there's two methods I use. The first method is, before I say this, I always breathe in and out from my nose, never through the mouth. That's something I prefer. I don't know why I said that. But the first method is you breathe in, breathe out, and you count. So that was one. And then that's two. And you want to go all the way up until like 50, 100 or whatever. As many as the number you can get up to, like have a goal, try to get to 100 or something. But every time you forget what number you're on, you have to go back to one. Or every time you think of something and you kind of get drifted away from the principle, go back to one and you carry on counting again. The second method, which is one I prefer, I think this first method is an ancient Japanese method that I learned like 5 years ago on YouTube, some random samurai guy, okay? It's still an effective method though, and it still works and I still use it, and it's a bit more entertaining. The second method is I breathe in and I literally just think of nothing. And I focus mainly on the breath. So every time you breathe in and out, you want to focus on the breath. And every time you have a thought come in your mind, you kick it out. It can literally be you talking to yourself. It can literally be anything. Sometimes you think without even realizing. You'll be sat there and you'll be having a little conversation with yourself without even realizing. And then you go, oh shit. And then you kick it out of your mind, and you go back to focusing on the breath. And every time you have a thought come in, whatever thought that may be, you kick it out, carry on breathing, focus on your breathing. And that's like doing a bicep curl basically, but for your mind. So I'm breathing, I've got the thought of eating food, I kick it out and I carry on breathing. And that's basically one rep. And you do that for 5 to 10 minutes, and that is the most effective method. It's really that simple. It doesn't need a 2-hour documentary, okay? I saw some videos that were like 10, 20 minutes long, how to meditate. You breathe in, you breathe out. You can either do the counting method I said, or you can do the other one where the second you get a thought in your mind, you kick it out and you carry on focusing on the breath. It's really that simple. And I would recommend starting with, if you've never done it before, start with 2 minutes, then gradually increase it. So one day do 2 minutes, the next day do 3 minutes, the next day do 4 minutes, or start with 5 minutes, start with 10 minutes. It's all personal preference, whatever you prefer. So keep that in mind. But that was how to meditate. It's really simple. If you've never meditated before, start with a low duration and gradually increase it. And every time you have a thought come in your mind, kick it out and focus on your breath. That's the summary. It's really that simple. So I hope this saved you time. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next one.